Hello, friends. Excited to be here with you today. This is a second setup video. Added another little bit here. This is the book that I'm going to be working out of while I'm programming with you. So this is the Python All-in-One for Dummies. This is the one by Shovic and Simpson. Copyright on this. Let's see. Copyright on this one, 2019. So anyway, be working through that. I'll hopefully be able to figure that out. Everything else you need to work along with me is going to be, this is a Cana kit, Raspberry Pi 4. Really any Raspberry Pi with the Noobs operating system should work. I wouldn't recommend it with a Pi 1 or I think they're called Pi 0. I would recommend try to get a Pi 2, 3, or 4. Those are multi-core. The Pi 4s are noticeably faster. The other thing that you're going to need is a mouse, a keyboard, and a monitor. So the keyboard that I'm using is a Red Dragon Gaming Essentials. I got the Pi 4 with 8 gigs of RAM as a gift, and I got the keyboard as a gift. And so you don't have to have the top Pi 4 with the the most memory. You don't have to have a fancy, cool LED light up keyboard. Use whatever you got. The other thing is I'm using a smaller monitor. That way the text on the screen shows up a little bit bigger and easier to see, hopefully. So anyway, we're going to be working through these. Hopefully everything works for folks. Try to get these things posted up to YouTube. I hope this helps. Look forward to working with you, and hopefully if you have any questions, my email address is jeremy.ebert@swasu.edu. To find me, you can just do a Google search for SWASU Computer Science Faculty and Jeremy Everett, that's me. So anyway, if anybody needs anything, feel free to email me. Thank you. Have a great day.